Good morning, students. So, in science, we are discussing block 23 rocks and minerals. Today, we are discussing LP3 rock cycle. Aim of the LP3 is to describe the rock cycle. The keywords which are included are rock cycle, igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. So, these are the keywords that are included and you have to write in your classwork. Okay, students. So in LP1 and LP2 we have discussed about the rocks, how they are formed, right? These all we have discussed. So in LP2 we have discussed mainly the rocks are divided into three types, right? One is igneous rock, second one is sedimentary rock, third one is metamorphic rock, right? So here few examples are pumice, it is an example of igneous rock, and granite, this one also a example of igneous rock. So how the igneous rock form, just now we will once again rewind it. Okay, see here you can see when the volcano eruption, okay, when the volcano will erupt or it is ready to erupt, the hot semi solid means liquid form magma will be there. Here you can see the magma, right? So here only if the magma will cool down and it forms a one type of rock or one type of solid material, that one is granite. Okay, granite will be formed in the when the magma will cool down. If due to the more pressure or some changes, if that magma will erupt, it will come outside in the form of lava. Okay, if it will erupt out of the volcano, it is the lava. Okay, when the lava come outside, it will quickly cool down. Okay, the lava will quickly cool down and it finds a type of solid material, that is also one type of rock, that is the pumice rock. Okay, so there are two examples. This both we can call as igneous rock because they are coming from the volcano or inside the volcano or coming in the form of lava, right? So these are the igneous rock, right? Why the pumice, they have the holes like this, right? Why these have porous form, why these have holes means what happens when this lava come out na, so some of the air will go inside the lava, so that it makes the holes when it is in the liquid form. When it will become solid, so that we can see small holes in the pumice. Okay, so this is the igneous rock. Next one is layered form, that one is second form is sedimentary rock. So what is sedimentary rock means? Sedimentation, what happens, student? Like this, here you can see layers are formed. Okay, sedimentary special property is you can see in that a layered form of rock. What happens, student? Small, due to the weathering means due to the rainfall or due to the erosion, right? So what happened, small pieces of rock, small sand, they will all come and at one place it will settle down, right? So at the time of settle down, what happened in between of this, maybe if it is in the ocean, maybe ocean animals, aquatic animals or trees, they are trapped, they may get into in this, right? So like this it is the sedimentary rocks are formed. Some of the examples of sedimentary rocks are marble, limestone and sandstone. Here you can see the layers. Okay, here you can see the clean, when we make the sandstone rock and we are making the floors like this. Okay, this is a best sandstone big rock, we can say, right? So from this only we will dig and we will make like this shape and we will use for the building material, right? So this is the example of sedimentary rock. So next, last one is the metamorphic rock. So what is metamorphic rock means? See what happened when the igneous rock is there, due to the more high pressure, right? High pressure means more force on a particular area is applied, so that what happens, it will change into the metamorphic rock. So in the content book it has been given some of the granite, right, mudstone, sandstone and limestone. So limestone, it is a sedimentary rock. Sandstone, it is also sedimentary rock. Mudstone and granite, these are the what igneous rock. So these rocks, when the more pressure is applied in the on them, so they convert into the metamorphic rock. Okay, granite change into gneiss, mudstone, shale, sandstone, quartzite, limestone, marble. Okay, so these are the metamorphic rock. So marble is an example of metamorphic rock. Okay, here is a marble, student. So it is a metamorphic rock. Okay, so these are the stones that we have discussed in LP2. So what is the rock cycle? Why we called it is a rock cycle means, so these three, igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Once when the volcano erupted, we can see the igneous rock is formed. Okay, and due to the weathering means due to the heavy rainfall or due to the soil erosion, when the full flood will come na, so what happened, the whatever the soil, small stones, everything it will take along with the flood, and somewhere it will stop. So due to that weathering, what happens, small pieces of rocks, it will settle down somewhere. Okay, and maybe some animals will trap into this. So these stones, what happen ma, it will placed it will automatically will fall one another, and what happened, after so many of years they will settle down and they will form the layers. It is called sedimentary rock. And when the sedimentary rock, due to the more heat and pressure, it will changes into the metamorphic rock, right? Igneous to sedimentary, sedimentary to metamorphic. So when the metamorphic, due to it will what happen, it will the melt, right? So it will melt. If it is inside the earth, in the molten rock, molten form, right? Crust is the first form na, so next one is molten. So if inside it, what happened, due to some changes, it forms the magma again. So what happens, the magma, it will erupt again, it will form the igneous rock, right? If the it will cool, igneous rock will cool, again magma form, sorry, it will melt and form magma if it gain the heat. If it will cool, the magma will cool, again igneous rock. You can see the arrow marking, right? So like this, why we will call it as a cycle, rock cycle means, you can see it is a series of process that slowly change the rock from one kind to another kind, right? From one kind to another kind rock, we can see the formation, so that we called it as rock cycle, right? So igneous rock formed from the hot molten magma. It breaks into the smaller pieces and settle down to form the sedimentary rock. Again, what happened, the sedimentary and igneous both type of this rock form the metamorphic, right? Some metamorphic rock, what happened, get pulled deep inside the earth's crust. They melt to form the magma. This magma again erupt and cool down and become hard and form the magma, igneous rock. So this is a continuous process, so that we will call the cyclic. Okay, so it how much time it will take, do you know, student? One type of rock to form, it will take millions of years for a rock to complete a rock cycle. Different forces will would applied in on this one ma. So like heat, pressure, maybe heavy wind, heavy rain cause these changes. Okay, if heat and pressure would not be there, then these sedimentary to metamorphic, it will not form. Okay, so this is about the rock cycle. Do you know how this rock cycle is different from any natural other cycle, right? How means, see here what happened in this, you can see many web cycles, right? Means many web link you can see here, igneous to metamorphic, metamorphic to sediment. You can see na, so many arrow marking, so that it is different from the natural other cycles we have discussed na, like life cycle of a frog, you can see. So in that more like these web cycles are not there, right? So that many web we can see smaller cycles, many smaller cycles we can see in this one whole rock cycle, so that it is different from natural cycle. So now what you have to do, open your volume 3 page number 35, write today's date. Why rock cycle is called a cycle? What does it tell us? That you have to write. Second one, from the content book you can see the picture and you have to write the draw the diagram here, rock cycle diagram. Based on the rock cycle, describe the cycle marble rock formed from a limestone. So here student, marble, how the marble rock it is how it is formed from the limestone, that you have to write. Okay, just now I told na, this layered, if it is a layered one means it is a sedimentary rock. The sedimentary rock example is limestone. Limestone will convert into the marble due to the heat and intense heat and pressure. So how it is forming, that you have to explain. Just now I told na, that only you have to write. So now next we will go through the LP4.